So quickly, I'm going to be reviewing this KimChi Chic Puff Puff Pass Set and Bake Powder. So maybe you guys have received it. This I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of April. Not into like loose powders a lot, but I was really interested in this because I also have received the setting mist, which is a matte setting mist. I liked it a lot. It has rice water. This one has rice powder. I tell you, this retails for $18. This is a 0.85 ounce. This one is in the shade translucent. It has like about 10 shades if I'm not mistaken. Just show you really quick here. It comes with a really nice puff. I really like it. Like, it's super soft. Here you see it's shaped like as a heart. This is where the product comes out. It says lock in your concealer and set your foundation all day. Lightly press onto skin. Let set for 1 to 5 minutes. I did not do that. That is a really long time. I'm usually like in a rush. But you can, if you like to bake and you want to do something else in the meantime. Dust off excess powder for an all-day glam look. What I did was just like set my face regularly. I didn't like dust anything off. I guess if you bake, you're putting a more heavier amount of powder in certain areas. I just like used it to set my whole face. This is in the color Translucent 03. They have several different translucents. I would have liked, now that I use this, and I'll tell you why, I would have liked maybe the banana shade. Quickly show you here. This doesn't have any scent. Product is made in China. Did find it a little messy, but I always do with like loose setting powders. So what I did was I just, you know, started setting my face like this. That's what I did. The one thing I'm going to tell you is that this particular shade, I feel like it does leave a white cast. I guess maybe depending on how much you apply. I feel like this foundation that I have on today is the one that matches me the best color-wise. I apply this, it like messes the color a bit. I'm not saying drastically, but a bit. This is how I do. It says set and bake. So I'm just using it like to set. I'm not really baking. Baking, I would like if I'm putting a really like, I don't know, glittery or an eyeshadow that's gonna like have a lot of fallout, to like bake, you know, right before you apply that, and it would be easy to like just dust it off. It does mattify really nicely. The only thing I don't like is, I would say, the shade. That's about it. I don't want to deal with like any white cast. I haven't tried them all, so I don't know. I can't tell you. But this like 01 translucent looks really white. 01, is it Ivan there? Then they have 02 banana, translucent 3, 4 is peach, almond, cocoa, and chocolate. This product does have talc. Press it on and reap the benefits. What I love more about it, I think, is this little puff. I love it. I don't know why. Like, I think that's why I've been using it more, because I'm not really like a loose powder kind of gal, more a pressed powder. But it looks nice. It makes the pores look nice. It doesn't make the foundation look cakey, but I do feel like really dry right now. So if you want to like bring your makeup or your face back to life a little, just put like a setting spray or like a Mary Badescu spray, maybe the coconut one, for a little bit of glow. For $18 you get a pretty nice amount. Let me know if you also received it. Have you used it? It says it's formulated with rice powder and vitamin E as special ingredients. Their natural aging and oil absorbing properties will keep you looking snatched all day. Want to see the review of the KimChi Chic setting spray, the matte setting spray? I have that on my channel if you would like to check it out. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!